guys, I apologize for not putting up any videos lately. It's just been raining. Let me think. This past weekend when we were up at Capaz, started raining, and just kind of been raining pretty much all the way up till today. Today's Thursday, so yeah, it's been raining since last week. So I haven't been out really doing too much walking. Matter of fact, yesterday it rained so much they called school. Well, school gave us a text message. Excuse me. Excuse me. Got a text message from the school to come pick up Hannah Grace. That school was closing half a day, so they had a half a day of school yesterday. And I know Angeles City, or not Angeles City, but Daouz School District was closed yesterday because of the rain. That's what they do if it rains so hard here and rains so much. Places get flooded, and because kids take public transportation and parents drive kids, they'll just call off school because, you know, it just gets so flooded and their transportation can't get around. Let me see if I can get through here without getting hit. So far, so good. So far, so good. All right.
Hello.
So, hello.
Hello.
Hello. I guess the school is letting out, or the college is letting out. Yeah, college is down here. Yeah, college is down there. It's letting out. But yeah, I'm gonna come up here. I wanted to come up here. Somebody. Oh, wrong way. Somebody asked me to check out prices on motorcycles. And there's a Honda dealer up here, so I want to come up here and see if I can get some prices on the Hondas here, the new Hondas. Not sure if they came out with the 2019 yet, or 2019 models. I'm not sure. We're going to check it out and get some prices on the Hondas here. Somebody left me a message and said, these guys, like this dude here, he is called a barker. That's what somebody said. They're barkers. They call out to, or bark out for the people to ride the jeepneys and fill up the jeepneys. I know it's about 4 o'clock, somewhere around there. 3:30, 4 o'clock. I was going to get out earlier and do some walking, but it just started raining like crazy. I'll take a stroll in here. It's like a little market here. Sell DVDs. Hello, I'm looking. Are they all Tagalog, or are these all English here?
They're all English.
All English.
English, yes.
And everything else.
You like movie?
See what they have.
Oh.
Makana, how much are the movies?
This is not 25 each.
25 peso each. All right. Thank you. Salamat. Just looking. All right, we got to get moving. Music. Yeah, this is just a little market. It's actually a cut through. What do we got here? I don't know what they are. Chickens, roosters, I don't know. Knockoff clothes. What else do we have back here? Hello. Electronics. Hello. Yeah, just a small little market here. All right, so this TMX 125 is 50,900 pesos cash. That's cash. Now, from what I'm told is if you make installment plans, but if you're here on a on a tourist visa, you're not eligible for it. You have to be a permanent resident, or say your wife who is a natural born Filipino, she could get the installment plan on it. But that's the cash price for that. The TMX 125, it's the other, they come in blue, red, and black, right?
Yeah.
There's no other colors. Blue, red, and black, that's it. And then you have the Honda Beat. And the Honda Beat is a 110 Honda Beat. They come in red, white, orange, blue, pink, and black. And here are the prices. Cash price 69,900 pesos. And then you have installment plans, like I said. And then you have the Honda Click 150, which are very popular.
Yes, sir.
Very popular bike. And they come in an orange, like a yellow and orange, right?
Yeah.
And what is the price on the Click for the cash?
72,900.
72,900 cash.
Yes, sir.
For those. Then you have the Honda, what's this? XRM 125.
F5. Fuel injector.
Fuel injected, the latest.
Yes, sir.
And what's the cash price on them?
72,900.
72,900 pesos.
Yeah.
Orange, red, and yellow.
Yes, sir.
And you have the Wave, the 110 Wave. They're all 110s, right?
Yes, sir.
And what's the cash price on them?
62,900.
62,900. Red, purple, white, blue, and black.
Yeah.
These are all Waves right here?
Yes, sir.
What's the FI, Honda FI? Is that something different?
Click 125. There. Click 125.
Click 125,
Yes, sir.
okay.
Then the one's Zoomer.
One's a Zoomer. Okay, so you got the Waves, then you got the Click,
Zoomer.
and this is the Zoomer, and then the Honda Beat.
The Zoomer is like 93,900.
Zoomer is 93,900. And what CC is that?
110.
That's a 110 also.
I asked the whole the Philippines why very higher the price. He told me the design and the look is unique. He's never.
It's different. Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely different.
So that's on the PCX 150, the latest of the Honda in 2018.
These are what?
PCX 150.
VCX?
Yeah,
V.
pop.
PCX 150. And what is
133,900.
133,900.
18.
Okay.
This bike is low key. It's only remote.
Oh, remote start. And then you have the TMX. TMX Supremo.
71,900.
How much?
71,900.
21,900.
71,900.
71,900. And that's 150 also.
Yes, sir.
And that, why is that more than the other one? Because the fairing, the front fairing light.
Yeah, he is CV125, the whole latest.
Okay.
And the RS 150.
RS 150. 96,500 pesos. And then you have the 125. What is this? Road Sport RS.
RS 125. The baby.
The baby. And what's the price on that? 96.5?
62,900.
62,900. Then you have the CBR 150.
CB 150R. 98,900. The price here.
98,900 price.
And this the CBR 150R. The price is 150,900.
150,900 for the CBR 150R. And it comes in that yellowish and then red. Yeah, nice bike.
Matte black.
Matte black.
Yeah.
There it is. So there's the prices. All right, guys, so there's some prices on motorcycles. When you walk into these motorcycle shops here, they're all stacked on top of each other. You can see they're outside right now. And then what they'll do is they'll bring them all inside when they close up the doors. You know, it's kind of hard to see the motorcycles. Like I said, they're all stacked up on top of each other. But anyways, I wanted to show you guys inside the Honda dealer up here and get you prices on some of the Hondas. Like I said, a lot of people have been asking about it. But anyways, like I said, it's right here. Here is the stoplight in Daul, KFC, McDonald's, the Jollibee, Jumbo General, and then right across the street, that's the Honda dealer. So anyways, there it is. And if you are in this area and you're looking for motorbikes, I would suggest and recommend coming here. And like I said, no matter what dealer you go to, they should all be the same price when it comes to cash. If not, then somebody's trying to pull a fast one on you. All right, guys, I am outside Tailg, T-A-I-L-G, and these are all electric motorbikes here. If you're wondering where it's at, it's over here in Daul also, right across the street from the Jollibee, Bank of the Philippines, right next door to Burger King. You can't miss it. Well, you can't miss the Burger King. And this is the place here, Tail G, maybe that's it, Tail G. Sorry about my pronunciation. But anyways, I stopped in here and I got a price list on some of these electric motorbikes here. This is what they call the Hero. All right. The Hero runs 98,000 pesos. Now I don't know if the cover and everything is part of it, or if it's just plain and then that's all extra. But there it is. It says it gets up to 80 to 100 kilometers on one charge. Then we have back here, we have, this is called the Pedicab. EP, I think she said Pedicab. And that price is 31,800 pesos. Then we have, this is the ERV. Yes, this is the ERV. The price for this is 42,800. This is more of the ERV. And then you have these here, which are the same. ERV. They have it, let me see if they have it inside. They have a couple other ones here. They have it like a single seat, ERV single seat, and that runs 37,000. Let me go inside here. Let's see if they have it inside. Yeah, there they are. There it is right there. The ERV, 37,000 pesos for that. Then they have the golden butterfly. These are the golden butterflies. 25,000 pesos. And then this is the inside here. Looks like they do all their service work here. This here is the M3, 43,800 pesos for this guy here. Oh yeah, this is all, this is their service area. Everything's done right here. So here it is, guys. Just figured I would show you around Tail G Marketing, electric bicycles. Show you where they're located. All right, we're back at the shop, and there is Lut.
Hi.
And Liberty. Lut, I have a question for you.
Yeah.
I went to the. Hang on, we got a.
We got
a customer here. Hang on a second. I got a question I want to ask Lut. Borrow it, 5 pesos. All right. I have a question for you now. I was up at the Honda dealer, okay? And I was talking to the salesman and I was talking to the saleswoman, and I explained everything to them that I wanted to video, and they said that was cool and all that. And then I asked them if I could take a picture. All right. The saleswoman told me that it's their tradition. Now tell me if this is a tradition or not. She said she was pregnant, okay? And she said because you're pregnant, the tradition is you're not allowed to take a photo of her until after she gives birth. Is that true? You ever hear that?
I never heard that.
You've never heard of that? So you think she just made that up because she didn't want a photo of herself?
Could be.
Could
But,
be.
You know, each place has their own tradition.
Right.
But
So
I never heard that.
So some places their tradition might be that. All right. And then I proceeded to ask her this question. I said, do you have Facebook? She said, yes. I said, okay. I said, do you take selfies of yourself? And she said, well, yeah.
So what's the difference?
And I said, well, I thought you weren't allowed to take photos of yourself.
That's corny.
I think she just didn't want to be photographed. That's all right. I try to ask anyways, but. And here's Liberty. There is Nine-Eyed Cat. And rest in peace, Justice. Right? Rest in peace.
Mama, I'm just still sleeping now.
Lazy cat.
I want to sleep, Mama. She want to sleep. I don't want to, Mama. I'm just sleepy. Don't disturb me.
That's all she's been. That's all Liberty's been doing is sleeping ever since it started raining. Oh, another customer. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this one up. Like I said, you know what? I apologize for. Let me see, am I out too far? I apologize for not getting out and doing any filming. It's just like I said, it's just been raining, and this rain makes you lazy here, makes you not want to go out and do anything. Just been hanging out. I actually been watching a lot of Netflix. I've been watching American Horror Story. I got stuck watching that. Kind of hooked on that. She's been stuck on some type of, I don't know, some type of drama or some type of
The Client.
The Client. It's called The Client on Netflix. And got any good suggestions for Netflix for like some mini series or something? Let me know. But that's what I've been doing for the past couple days with it being raining out and everything. So anyways, guys, I'm going to wrap this up. Let's see. Tomorrow's Friday. Friday. Yeah, tomorrow's Friday. I don't know what we're doing. I know we'd like to get out of town this weekend again, somewhere, you know, within an hour or so out of town. So anyways, guys, once again, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching the channel. Thanks for the comments. Thanks for the thumbs up. Thanks for the thumbs down. And tomorrow's a new day. The journey continues, and we'll see you then.